Hey guys, Bruce from Cell Pro here. Today we're taking apart a Samsung S23. So I'm going to start by removing the back. I've already heated it up. And yeah, I've already heated this guy up, so we're all good on that end. As you can see, I can get into that pretty easily with the razor blade. Make a little bit of room. And there we are. So now I'm into it with the I really just want to work it around. I want to do that in order to make sure that it's easy to continue to slide this guy across like so. There we go. Look over here. Keep working on these ends. I'm going to go heat it up a little bit more. Just going to work this around again. By now I should be able to just take it off. Should come off pretty easily. Trick is you never really want to force anything in this business. You just want to allow it to sort of come off on its own. So there's the back. Here we go. How's that phone going on? We'll have to deal with that in a second here. And these screws are all the same size, so you don't really need to separate them into a nice little area. There we go. All right, so now you take sort of whatever you got. For me, I use a plastic spreader. I'm going to sort of just find a place to kind of pop these guys off, like so. Disconnect the battery, like so. This guy seems to be already disconnected for some reason. This one I'm just going to bring up really close to my face because I don't want to hit anything in order to disconnect it. So there we go. This guy's come off as well. I usually use gloves with holes in the fingers, so I have better dexterity, but whatever. I disconnect the camera. These cameras are pretty tricky on these, and I'll show you guys in a bit why. I'm going to take this off. That's the board. Don't want to damage that guy at all. This is the new one. I need a SIM card tray remover here. Pop this out. Oops. Pop that guy out like so. Put that in the safekeeping somewhere over there. Now, all right, so there's that. Take this bad boy out like that. We're just going to replace it right away. like so. And I'd like to get those screws back in there ASAP. Alright, so that's on there.